Hey guys, I just want to give you a quick overview of what's inside the checklist so you can have an idea of how it can actually save you 2 hours every day. And I truly mean it because the few things you will see inside this checklist are not just common things, but they are actually things that will help you be more precise in the way you produce things in your company. And they are specifically designed for teams because obviously, if you're a solopreneur like I am right now, you don't have the problem of miscommunications and the problem of misunderstandings. It's different problems when you are a solopreneur. But with a team, usually, for example, I just take number one, define tasks clearly. Most of the time, you onboard in a new company and no one tells you exactly how to create a task and what defines a task. So here, I'm explaining exactly what it contains. And then after here, you have these little toggles where you can just click to open and you can actually see what's inside. So here, what I'm suggesting is you duplicate it to your Notion account. If you don't have Notion, you can just select all and paste it in any place you want. And just make sure that in your company from now on, you'll imply these 5 things, for example, to define the tasks clearly. Okay. So I've made this so like you can copy paste it. It should take you 5 seconds to decide if you do it or not. And of course, there are many items. Okay. So you don't have to use them all at once. You can also decide to try 1 or 2 items and see how it goes. Because, for example, here, don't assign tasks in chat. This will require your entire team to get used to stop doing this habit of telling people what to do in a chat. There are tons of things here that I try to keep short because I want this to be a checklist. But obviously, after you've downloaded the checklist, I will make sure to send you a few emails to make sure that it's completing and giving you more advice based on these. And of course, if it doesn't help you save 2 hours a day, connect with me because one thing I can do for you guys is to take you on a free consultation. You can book it at scalingpeace.com/call. I will put the links in the first comment of this video as well. And here you can see my availabilities. I'm putting dates for the next month. And this consultation is not me pitching you my solutions. You can read them on the website, but it's mostly like helping you getting productive from the first minutes we spend together. For example, if we do a free session, what we can do together is pick the few items that you think are the best for you and try to put strategies in place with your team to implement them. And of course, what I'm suggesting you to do once you've downloaded this checklist is to share it with your team members because they will decide actually, and they should decide which item they start to implement first and which item they need the most. Remember something is if your team is not productive, you cannot be productive. So you need your team to solve their problems first. And this checklist can actually help them prioritize a little better. So that's it, guys. I don't want to be too long in this video. If you have any comments, please put them in the video or just reach out to me. And don't hesitate again to book me on a free call for a consultation on this or on other team productivity concern or issues. I would be happy to address them and to put solutions in place right away. That was Scale in Peace, guys, and I see you on the next video.